Welcome back, everybody. This is take two. I was doing a video on how long does it take us to learn a craft. I mean, you're not going to start Friday night reading a book on how to build a credenza and then go out in your garage with your newly purchased tools and build a credenza. You have to build the skills necessary. Okay? You need to build the skills necessary in order to perform a task of any kind. You need to learn how to understand your materials, understand your tools, understand layout and design. So, if I took a student of any age who wanted to put in dedicated, what's the word I'm looking for? Deliberate practice or work. And I would get them to work deliberately for an hour a day, 5 hours a week, 2,500 hours over 10 years. They could learn something, but would I consider them a master? I've always considered someone who has put in deliberate practice and deliberate work for 10,000 hours on their way to mastering their craft. And you can do the math. 10,000 hours could come in an 8-hour day over, 5 years? Or a 4-hour day over 10 years? Excuse me. So what do you think? How much time does it take to learn and master a craft? I mean, I've only been tinkering with this since I was 14, coming up on 55 years. And I learn something every day. But that's why we used to have apprenticeship programs. My apprenticeship was not a formal apprenticeship. I learned what I could learn by watching. And then as I was allowed to do, they let me do certain things. Between the age of 14 and 16, I couldn't touch a single machine. So they had me as a gopher and clean up, and then they started letting me put hardware on cabinets. So it takes time. And in today's world, we don't have that apprenticeship anymore. Especially, I mean, you go online and they're saying, yeah, if you have an idea, AI can now create an app. Well, we didn't have apps. We had physical work that had to be done. Our apps were books you would get from the library. You would read them and you would return them, or you would go out and buy one, or someone would give you one as a gift. So I don't know. Let me know what you think. Do you think you can learn it in 100 hours? Do you think you can learn it in 1,000 hours? I don't know. Be interested to hear what you think. But I believe the old adage is 10,000 hours to master anything. You know, I like to bake. And every single time I bake, things are slightly different. Why? Well, your flour is different, your eggs are different, your water amount that you put in, if it was 1 or 2 grams more or 1 or 2 grams less, the humidity in the air, the temperature of the oven, da 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 da. It's never exactly 100%. All edible, but never exactly 100%. And it's the same thing with our wood. Not every single piece of wood is going to behave the same. Different moisture content, different humidity in the air. Every day is different. So that's about it, everybody. Give it the old thumbs up and like, subscribe, and share. But most important, head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. But not until you sharpen first. Walter out.